Good morning. Hey guys, so thank you for tuning into another video. Today I am vlogging. I am going to attempt to do more vlogs for you guys, just so you can kind of get a better idea of who I am and what I do on a daily basis and how I go about handling my business, and showing you guys some behind the scenes stuff of things that I do every day that I didn't even realize that maybe it might help you guys with your business, or just so you can see what I do every day. I don't know. Excuse how I look today. Today is, the weather sucks. I thought today was gonna be like a picture day, content creating type of day, and the weather said not so. So instead I am going to go and do a much needed clean out of my inventory and my garage, which I'm gonna take you guys with me because it's a mess down there. I have some emails I have to get through, and then I went to CVS because I had to pick up a prescription for some vitamins, but I already did that, so we're gonna worry about that. That's why I look this way, because I just threw something on to go to CVS. That's what my weather is looking like today. Hold on. Unlock the door. This is the weather today. Today it's like not even cute at all. Like, it was raining, it's still a little wet, it's humid, but yeah, today the weather sucks. So again, we're gonna go out downstairs to the garage since the weather sucks, and I'm not getting caught. I think the rain's starting to pick up again, so yeah, let me go downstairs before it starts raining again. All right, so we're actually in my closet right now because I have some stuff still in my closet. Excuse me, this is my wig, my little mannequin. But I have some things back over here, and I'll show you guys. I have some inventory down here, and then I have inventory like all back over there, some bodysuits and things that so those are just some things that I was working in my house because I didn't want to work downstairs when it was like really hot outside, so I brought them upstairs to work on and do like pictures and stuff like that. So I'm about to take the stuff back downstairs. I have my little wagon. This is like the best investment that I have because again, my garage is downstairs. That's my warehouse is downstairs, and I have an elevator in my building, thank God. So it just makes everything so much easier to put in there and then just transport downstairs instead of having to run up and down. So that's what I'm about to do, is get some of the stuff so I can take it downstairs, and then I'm gonna show you guys. I don't think I showed you guys my new setup. So I think I showed you guys my old apartment when I had moved. Or when I was in my old place, I showed you guys my setup. But I don't think I showed you guys the new setup. I'm sorry, this wig, she doing the most of it now. But yeah, I don't think I showed you guys the new setup, so I'm going to show you guys the new setup down there as well. But yeah, first I gotta pack the thing up so we can get the stuff downstairs. Inventory here. These are some things that I ordered that I absolutely do not like. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna take it downstairs for now because I can't keep it in my closet. I don't want the stuff in my closet. These are what the shorts look like. They're like super short shorts, but they're like supposed to flare out. They look like this, but they're so tiny. I ordered them from a new vendor, and I wish I would have never ordered them from a new vendor because I didn't have very much reviews on this new vendor, and that's usually not something I would do, but I was trying something new. I don't know. Okay, so I made it out. It's raining. but I made it into my garage. This is what it looks like if you come up on it. It is solely just a garage for my warehouse or whatever you want to call it, because my car can definitely not fit in here. But here is my first rack. It's just some shoes. Mostly these are boots that I'm going to hopefully get rid of this year, because again, if you watch other videos, I always say all the time, I'm not selling shoes anymore. Nothing against shoes, I just don't want to sell them. So here's some of my inventory. It's mostly fall and winter inventory. I have some more in my spring. As you can see, it's kind of empty. Spring and summer stuff I've been selling. So I'm pulling some stuff I have from upstairs to fill that up, because I have stuff upstairs as well. And then over there is my accessories and some summer stuff as well. And then this table is my kind of my processing table, or if I fill orders, or if I'm doing inventory to if I'm putting up inventory like I'm doing today, I'll just kind of spread it out to kind of see what I have. I have some racks over there. Way back there is all my supplies, so I'll go through all that too, because I gotta see what I have and what I need to reorder. But yeah, this is what I have so far. It's just a close-up of everything. There's all my handbags up here, which is actually quite thin because I had way more handbags than that. I've sold a lot of handbags. And then some more summer stuff that kind of, well, this is empty now because I've been fulfilling orders, but I was using this area as well to fulfill some, or to hold some areas. So here's my supply area. There's my tissue paper, some custom tissue paper. I have a video on there if you guys want to know where that came from. These are just the little holders for the clothing, so they can stay the protectors, whatever they're called. I have some custom bags, different sizes. These are just plain bags that are a lot bigger. Some custom tape. And again, I do have videos to tell you guys where all this stuff comes from if you are wanting. My little container to hold like stickers, thank you cards, some more stickers. But yeah, that's pretty much it of everything of what my garage looks like for now. I am going to get another rack. I usually pick up these racks from Sam's Club or Costco. I forgot which one I get it from, but you can get these anywhere. You can get them at like Target. You can get them on Amazon. I just prefer Costco and Target because I always go there, so that's just where I get them from. But I am going to get another one because I'm going to Magic soon, and I know I'm going to get some more products coming in. And plus I've been using the top for like storage. I think I just need a whole storage rack because I need to use those, the top levels. So I switched over to my phone because I don't have great reception out here with my iPad, but pretty much all I do is take the Shopify app. That's the Shopify app, has all of my inventory in there. Has all my inventory in there, and I pretty much can go in there and see. I can pretty much go in there and just make sure that everything matches up to what it is it says that I have. So a helpful tip for me, what works for me when I'm doing my inventory, it keeps it easy to understand and see, is I pre-label all my pieces. So when they come in a box like this. I take out the pieces. Of course, we count them all, go through and make sure everything is okay. And then it comes to my little table where I package it up in these little plastic papers here. Everything is tagged, and then I put a sticker on there, so that way when it comes to doing inventory or pulling my products, it makes it super easy for me to be able to say, hey, I need my cheetah skirt in a size small. It's already pre-packaged and ready to go out, opposed to having to go find it and get in the package. Everything is already preset for me to pull or do inventory, which makes everything so much easier. So that is definitely a helpful tip for you guys if you were looking into you know, how to organize your items once they arrive. But yeah, definitely pre-packaging them makes everything so much easier and faster. Alright guys, so I just came back in the house because it is so hot in that garage. Like, it's already raining, so it's humid outside. I thought it was going to be a breeze or cool. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's so humid outside. So I came back in the house. But the good thing is I got a lot of that stuff put down in the garage. I'll have to go in there and go through it all and organize it all. My mom's coming to town next week, so I'm gonna see if she's gonna help me, because 4 hands are better than 2, right? And so she's gonna be like, what. But yeah, I'm sure she'll go in there and help me organize it. But I'm about to get some food in me because I'm like super hungry. And then I just have a few emails to order, or excuse me, couple emails to, I'm gonna get my computer. That's what I'm about to do, go get my computer. I just have a couple emails I need to respond to. And then I've been looking at getting into making a TikTok for my business. So you guys who have TikToks, let me know, do you find that TikToks help gain exposure and gain sales to your website or gain traffic to your website? Because I couldn't keep holding my camera around in my hands because I'm hungry and I gotta eat. So I'm about to hit up some leftover spaghetti that I have. But I was telling you guys that if you have a TikTok, do you find that TikTok helps you with your business? Because I've been looking at a lot of TikToks recently and I feel like I need to make a TikTok for my business. And it'll be just a matter of like showcasing my business on like what we have, new inventory, unboxings, kind of giving a more behind the scenes type of feel. But yeah, I've been watching a lot of TikToks lately. I'm really interested. TikTok is way out of my element and way out of what I know as the norm, but I'm open to it, and apparently it works because there's a lot of people on TikTok. I didn't realize but do you guys think like, I don't know, like Instagram Reels versus TikToks? Instagram, TikTok, you guys let me know how you feel about that. It's like, I feel like this is a different target audience. I feel like more people, I don't say more people would be on Instagram. I feel like there's a younger audience on TikTok. That's just my opinion, but I could be wrong because again, I'm not an avid user of TikTok. I don't go on there. I go on there very randomly, and like if I see something funny and I want to see more of those type of videos, I'll go to TikTok. But it's not like Instagram where I check it every single day. So I don't know, you guys let me know if you have an Instagram reel, or I mean if you do TikTok, let me know down below. Does it work for you? Do you feel like it's beneficial? Is it worth me making an account and starting to put videos on TikTok? Let me know down below because I am very curious about like how to get TikTok up and running. So, but y'all just excuse me. Does anybody else eat off plastic? If it's just you, like if it's just me, I just eat off plastic. Like I have real dishes, but like I just don't feel the need to have to eat off real dishes if it's just me. Like I don't care. As long as I get to eat, that's my biggest thing. So okay, so I'm just gonna grab some food, and then like I said, I'm going to do some emails. And then I'm going out of town this weekend, so I'm going to do a little bit of packing, and I want to do a little bit of content. I'm seeing some leftover spaghetti, but I have a little bit of packing to do. It's just a little weekend trip, so nothing major, so I don't have to do anything like major packing. I do want to get a couple cute outfits because I do want to go and take some pictures. I just got my food heated up. I'm about to go in and eat this. And I'm about to drink my water with it, and I'm going to go in and do some emails while I eat. And yeah, so we're gonna stop right here so I can eat and get these emails done, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, so I'm getting ready to pack because like I said, I'm going out of town this weekend. Just a little weekend trip, nothing major, just a couple days to get out of town. It's actually my mom's birthday, so it's kind of her little getaway trip that I'm doing for her. And so I want to do a little bit of like a little Insta content creation because like I said, I'm working on my content creation. So I did a little flat lay of like some weekend essentials. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. So I just have the stuff on my bed. Of just some little things, and I took some little pictures of what that was all about. So yeah, so right now I'm actually getting ready to actually sit down and pack some things, pick out some outfits because I want to get some cute pictures. I have no idea what I'm going to wear. I checked the weather. It's going to be sunny for the most part. At least it's not raining because it's still raining here, and as much as I love the rain, I don't want rain when I'm on a getaway. So yes, I'm about to pick up some stuff and pack, and then I think that's gonna be it for today. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna continue packing. I have to go plan some things out because I thought I had the outfits kind of in mind of what I wanted to wear, but I have no idea what I want to wear. So I gotta go finish packing, checking for my flight, and then yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to check me out on Instagram. Stay tuned with everything and where I'm going, and then again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, bye.